Today we are crocheting a Christmas tree. First, start with a magic ring. Insert the hook through the loop. Pull through. Works 3 chain stitches. Crochet 16 double crochets. Mark the first stitch. Second stitch. Third stitch. Fourth stitch. A total of 16 stitches. Completed. Tighten the loop. Mark the last stitch. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. First round completed. Second round. Works 3 chain stitches. Crochet 4 double crochets. Mark the first stitch. Mark the third stitch. Three chain stitches count as 1 double crochet, for a total of 5 stitches. Chain stitches. In the same stitches. Crochet 5 double crochets. Crochet 1 single crochet at the marker. First group completed. Skip to stitches. In the third stitch, crochet 5 double crochets. Chain stitches. Mark the third stitch. In the same stitch, continue crocheting 5 double crochets. Crochet 1 single crochet at the marker. Second group completed. Skip to stitches. In this position, crochet 5 double crochets. chain stitches. In the same position, continue crocheting 5 double crochets. Crochet 1 single crochet at the marker. Third group completed. Mark the single crochet position. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain stitches. Third round. Works 3 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. Then, in this position, crochet 10 double crochets. Skip to stitches. Place a marker at this position. Crochet 1 single crochet at the marker. Skip to stitches. In the third stitch, crochet 5 double crochets. Skip to stitches. In the third stitch, crochet 1 single crochet. In the middle chain stitch, crochet 10 double crochets. Skip to stitches and mark the third stitch. Crochet 10 double crochets. Crochet 1 single crochet at the marker. Skip to stitches. In the third stitch, crochet 5 double crochets. Skip to stitches. In the third stitch, crochet 1 single crochet. In the middle position of this section, crochets 10 double crochets. First, mark the position after skipping to stitches. Crochet 10 double crochets. Works 4 single crochets, noting the change in stitch placement. Four stitches completed. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Next, crochet the tree trunk. Insert the hook at the first single crochet. Chain stitches. Works 8 single crochets. Place a marker. Eight stitches completed. Chain stitches. Turn the pieces. Crochet a total of 3 rows, using the same stitch pattern as the first row. Chain stitches. 3 rows completed. You need to crochet 2 identical pieces. Leave a longer tail on one piece for sewing. Sew the pieces together. Chain stitches. Sew 1 round using slip stitches. Slip stitches to the top and crochet 15 chain stitches for a hanging loop. Slip stitch completed. Chain stitches. Stuff the pieces. Sewing closed with slip stitches. Chain stitches. Final chain stitches. Did you learn it? Please like and follow. Leave a comment to share your thoughts.